My happiness in this life is that karma is real. The evil you help to conceal today will come after you tomorrow. That evil job in your aka can conceal today because no feel no benefit will be standard. Tomorrow, that evil job will come back to haunt you. And a quick or do kaya sine egwuregwu wife a na-egwu. A na-ekwuye or do kaya sine egwuregwu wife a na-egwu. Onyi Nwa Imo pụtara na-eti mkpu na onwere onye kpọrọ ya na-threaten ya or do no kaya sine joke. Some of ndị arụana, some of ndị arụana never quit till you make it. Good morning. Good morning. That RSS nnukwu nwaanyị daalụ. Go. Some of them that run, it's not that na family is yoku, but they think that everything is all about joke. They think that everything is all about joke. Educated moment of truth. Let me use this opportunity to tell you again: the way you are moving, and what you are turning into, I feel sorry for you. I feel sorry for you. Thank God for people like us who follow for how corny you are. Somebody potaro. Ne timbu na madu poliye na phone. Ne threaten here. You went to the comment section. Look at Ifejike Sari na comment section. Look at Ifejike Sari na comment section. A screenshot on ya. Because to you people, everything is all about joke. Unamurozi mgbe something do serious. Unu na-eche ụbọchị ndị otu Mathias ha kwụsịchara mmadụ n'ala Igbo. Unu na-eche mgbe ha bidoro gbuwe mmadụ n'ala Igbo. Unu enwe ma na ndị do real and ndị do serious. Instead of you people addressing the excesses these guys may take in fighting for what is not their father's right. Unu nọrọ na konselo ha. Yeah? Ndị Zion kwugharị ọnụ, unu amapụta. Ndị Zion kwugharị ọnụ, unu amapụta. But unu shifuru ịghọta na ndị otu Mathias ha do more deadly than you can ever imagine. Pụtanụ unu bịa address ya these guys, gwa these guys that they are taking this thing too far. Unu kpuchisia ntị unu, onye kwuo okwu, unu amapụta. Ndị Zion kwugharị ọnụ, unu amapụta ịbịa crucify ndị Zion. Gee ntị, ka ịnụ ife ejike moment of truth delu na comment section. Onye na-agwa na somebody kpọrọ ya na phone. Did I not make a video like this yesterday? Did I not post a video like Nka Onyi Nwa Imo kwuru yesterday? Is it a coincidence that immediately nkwuchalu nke yesterday Onyi Nwa Imo kwuo nke yesterday? The first video make yesterday where I was eating that concussion rice. I said, na somebody jegolu number kpọọ mụ nche na onye kpọrọ mụ ka o discuss maka business week. Onye ahụ kpọọ mụ na-aka anụ datin. Yes, ndị mmadụ na-asị m tii nọmba onye a. Obviously, if I met you with number onye a is because na onye ahụ kpọrọ with a hidden number. All no kpọrọ with a number, I will put that number on the screen. Everybody will see it. Kpọọ ya, jụọ ya ajụjụ. Unu debe ahụ na ọ na-aghọta ife a na-ekwu. No joke ka ọ. You think this is a joke, ejike? You think this is a joke? Mgbe ife a ebido, Chineke nwa ka o si eme asavu kama when it's cold eme, it will start from you people. Is that as a mistarget or whatever? It will start. You will have a fair share of what you have been supporting. The comment section, if you drop on a comment section of somebody nating about mado, threaten here. HK in a comment section where say Onyi Nwa Imo, stop lying. It's not a big deal that you are posting about Zion and perhaps anyone threatening you based on that. Then is an indication that something is wrong with such a person. However, I don't believe that someone can do such just because you posted about Ebugobi. Thousands of people have been posting about him, even his staunch followers. What is so special about your own posting? He went on, saying all manner of things. Let me tell you, how many times have I come on Facebook here to post about people threatening me? I even posted a screenshot conversation of one of them. I even posted a screenshot conversation of one of them, not until one guy there, where one on that particular guy, you know, that guy, you know. According to that guy told me that Nafa finish here with Ijowa and Dogeshi, that they will come for me. Yes. Now I finish here with Ijowa and Dogeshi. I don't care if it is a fake one or if it is real. I don't care if the person is just blabbing or the person is real. The fact is that name will threaten Naga on out here. They have done it to me severally. Ijowa has complained about that severally. They have been doing it to Ogechi, I am sure. Because now some people will come to you and tell you, Ogechi this one, then you. So many people they speaking on behalf of Zion Ministry and Ebukobi has been threatened in one way or the other. Ndị mmadụ na-ekwu na Facebook una na-ekwu oge m post through my own a lot of ụmụ ofeke amụghị mgbe ekere nkụ ụkwa bịa na comment section na-akparị m na-asị m na mafụ ụfọdụ n'ime ha na-asị m na mafụ bụ odife ụfọdụ sị na ị na-atụ ụga. So when will somebody raise a real situation and people will come in, that is why I keep things going out of hand. You will immense the sensitivity of the matter. Is that not what has been destroying the Igbos for more? Ndi Igbo has proven that sometimes they can never learn from experience. Until the day it will start. Yes, until the day it will start. That day, they pretend that these things could have been prevented. Is that what you are telling me? Everything I have been on Facebook is all about joke and games to you people, right? It is all about games to you people, right? When Mobad on put on Facebook, they are called absolute trash. On Facebook. When that guy was shouting for help when he was alive, nobody gave him a listening ear. The moment Mobad Jebenife on social media, they constitute nuisance all in the name of seeking justice. How many times has it been happening in Nigeria here where people will come out to raise an alarm and nobody will listen to them until the day they think are bad? Then you will come and demand justice for Nyamulangu. Isim na Chineke aya kpọgọ isim na Chineke akele n'igwe n'ụwa na ọya akpọgọ ọkụ kịta. Kedu ụbọchị ndị Igbo ya learn? When will Igbos learn? When will Igbos learn? There are people among Ndi Omenala. That's why I don't listen to them. Because how I wish you know some element of animals with na Facebook here. Ijuwa can tell better. Ogechi can tell better. A lot of people who are speaking for Zion can tell better. Even J-Pack and Governor Isiagu can tell better when they were speaking for Zion. Yes, they can tell better when they were speaking for Zion. Yes. Otherwise, to even know the level and the extent they had to take this thing, why was J-Pack page attacked? That's what I am asking you. If what we are doing here on Facebook is just for us to share idea, so that you share my idea, you share your idea, then we will listen. If it is all about that, why are people going extra mile? Why are people going extra mile just to protect or defend whatever they stand for? Everything destroyed Igbo Igbo today started like this, just like a joke. On a favor, why you are even trying to go after your enemy? Why will you not be so careful so that you will not bring down your house in the process of trying to bring down that one of your enemies? He said, does it mean Ndi Igbo he understanding the wisdom do behind all this? Sometimes, my friend, you won't have a shelter over your head. Now Facebook, there is nothing. There is no day or any 2 days or any 3 days that somebody either in my inbox whether threatening on The other one is a phone conversation. That's why I also made a video to that effect. Yes. Manono be na Facebook unaju onweze ka onye Zion si wee gofe na iyi una ebunye iyi ahụ ndị Zion gọrọ ndị otu ejike ha apụta na Facebook say na ndị Zion na gi they are not even but ha na-agba about a life threatening something. Ị na-pretend ka ọ na-ema ife a na-ekwu. Ị na-pretend ka ọ na-ema ife a na-ekwu. Ị nwere ike iche n'obodo oyiwo. You may think that n'obodo oyiwo. Let me tell you, a lot of people support Guru Evo na Igbo has become victims of that evil has support. Today, they have become evil. Either their family member, their in-laws, or one person or the other has become a victim. So you will cry. You bet your story. If you try to the reason is because Ebluzu nyoso otoka yasinu ukunku kebu. Otoka yasinu ukunku kebu. Criminals recruit wekwana again na zo Matthias to sponsor this agenda of Matthias. Which day will Matthias come out to debunk all these things? Mado, I have not instructed you to do anything like this. Which day will Matthias come out and tell people and address his people for once? Which day will Matthias come to do that? Does he mean that Matthias Yadano even again on Facebook? Which day will he come out to come and address his people and tell his people this is not a do or die affair? Which day go you make? Address his members and the people who are sympathizing with his cause. Tell them that this matter is not a matter of Igbo Mado or Imiva. That let us continue engaging our brothers. That one day definitely they will see the reason in what we are talking about. Does it mean that no matter that his people are going violent about all these things? But Omeshiri deaf ears because that is what he wanted. That is what he wanted. He is waiting for a day some group of Ndomekome, Umofogiri and Isiagu na Igbo, recruit all in the name of we are fighting Jesus, or we are fighting churches, or we are fighting pastors. Because Hancha niile yawu a victim of this. Make una dey play. Mmadu ya pụta na-eti mkpu na mmadu na-agwa na oyegbuye. Na mmadu na-agwa na oyegbuye. Ngụ nwa pụta na-asị na onye ahụ na-pretend. Onye ahụ na-pretend godu. I am asking you, why can't you condemn? Why can't you condemn that act? Why can't you condemn that act? Now we go to no pretend. Or they pretend in ife emano de meme. Why can't you condemn that act? Why will you keep protecting? Why will you keep protecting a criminal somewhere? All in the name of you don't like Zion, you don't like Ebukobi, and you don't like Christianity. Why will you not come out to condemn evil? Educate moment of truth. Educate moment of truth. We have seen many people like you. It's unfortunately that you don't want to ask questions. Yes, people are thinking that what you are doing, that you don't know what you are doing. But you know what you are doing. You 100% know what you are doing. Retrace your step. Yes. Retrace. Na the level of what is happening in Igbo today. Kono ya fueba na instigate one day against one neighbor. Make sure no looking at what is happening in Igbo Land today. Kono ka ya fu ebe ana instigate one day against one neighbor. If you are capable of bringing uprising again among people, you make sure no enolo inebushie enakondo nie among one nijewolu bulletproof. Yes, I asked my brother and our brother Star, Stands. Daddy Shima, good morning, sir. Yeah, I'm telling you, he will go to gospel hour and pretend to be a Christian. I don't know the caliber of somebody, this particular young man. Oh, I don't know the caliber, an agent of darkness and agent of destruction. hitting and the yeah, say to her, looking for where to explode. That evil agenda, that evil agenda it will come after you when the time is ripe. It will come after you when the time is ripe. Look at what is happening in Igbo today. You people will still be condoning any atom of uprising in Igbo. You want to raise brothers against brothers. You people cannot come out to condemn evil. How else can Matthias come and address his people when he is intentionally raising a group of Ndi Igbo, keeping them for the right time? But at that right time, they will backfire against him, his family, and his allies. Yes, I said it, and it's not a prophecy. It is a reality. How can he come and address this thing and caution his people? How can he do that? He cannot do that. When he came on Facebook by himself, on Facebook, now when them man do only familiar, si ndoka busia, si busia ndisiuka, si busia munyeha, si busia umuha, si busia ndoka, si junuka hoko. So is Kerundo a recruit who will carry out these actions, if not by keeping quiet and allowing them for their criminality to mature. How else will he come? Look at somebody. So all go to na mo potalu kuono molonye sere no ye boom. Ngoma epitogodu, knowing that Nandomo had to go at stake. So Ngumu epitogodu, na no more about anything. You are waiting for the day, man. You are waiting for that day, man. Go away, potassium, and I send them mad. Nanesu Kukulifa, no one is going to quiver, Nick so and so about it. Yeah, make on the play. Everybody that has been speaking against all these things, supporting Christianity, one pastor, one church, one congregation, or the other, has been against this thing. This man, yes, Oblo Ijuwa here. Ijuwa was telling me about an incident when we were in Newi. The day Ijuwa there at my house, he was complaining to me about something. Which I don't want to say here. Yes. He was complaining to me about something which I don't want to say here. Similar something. Worse than even Onyi Nwa Imo, who has not in one way or the other experienced this. Some people will come on your Facebook, they will even be open and blunt and tell you, look. Yeah? I posted a conversation between me and somebody, a very bad conversation. If somebody may rake, may do a lot of things. He even called one fraternity and the other, same this one. Matthias their leader and blah blah. That now I have finished with Ogechi. I posted the conversation. The picture of the guy was there. Somebody, somebody yeah, put that in the comment section. Go in far, go just stay far. There are comment section now say when if you go defect that in gang. It's same na these guys SM shall go their souls. No wonder they will have problem with a book that can build your principle and your morality than like Bible. They don't want that book anywhere around them. Because now that book is speaking against every demon to anime. So they don't want any restriction or barrier anywhere. They want to be behaving the way actually they make. Actually, any book somewhere now appeal to your conscience. Make checks and balances to your conscience, even without anybody enforcing it. You know 10 commandments. The moment you may figure against 10 commandments, you know even without somebody telling you. So that conscience in a pretty is what they are, some of them are interested in doing. They want to get rid of that book. It cannot happen. Jenu recruit kuonu more. In nya ono ya bia in one way. In 1,000 ways you people will scatter. I hope you people know. I hope you people know. Mexico vlog, you are welcome. Yeah. Sometimes when I look at these guys, I think I'll think and say, does it mean now na chosi ko a trend or nothing more that fusialo? Wow, for what it is. They now condemn what happens in the church more than the essence morality. Yeah, simple morals of people. The man supposed to how you relate to your brother. No one knew. Even they don't consider all those things anymore. The greatest crime you can commit against Ejike and the likes of him is to call the name of Jesus and to call the name of church or to belong to any church. But you are not a member of a church or any congregation. They don't care. They don't care. They don't care. They don't care. If address this thing once and for all, speak to your members. Speak to your members.
My brother, but I told me to start here, man. Fire on. And I'm sorry, I'm not fire. You know that. How did you small? Everybody have to do the Hagada. Eruha 10. Now they are live video. How do I remember? Fire on. We are breaking their bones. Now we have either break bone. You and I they are angry. That's why they are seeking for our face. You know go. You got on fire, but on I day. You know go. What do you have, man? More power, more strength, more strength.
Education na Onyi Nwa Imo na fake if a threat in the fake.
Number one, Ejike moment of lies. Ejike moment of lies. The worst human being ever. Gini age meko ihewu onyewu of as Cameroon. Ejike wa agwo known as agwo abani. They no know na mo hebo de beri isi. Ejike moment of lie wa agwo black. No ni mu no. Amo hebo de beri isi. Emo hebi gesi jidisi Ejike came in the form of a Christian. While Ejike was an antichrist. This is the way the young guy came. Now, and when the young Joe's in a footer, so in a footer, none olive oil. If I put millionaire, if I show woman's in Abba, if I a man of 70 years, neighbor 17 years, in a hotel, if for that one. If you can upchanti or second by Ishi, Naru Yahuna, Wally, no wounded money were you, if for that one. So here as the natural Uganya, olive oil na million son, as if like one of you know, but what happened in Nigeria. No one way in Attire. If for that one, Eduki in a type of home, since he happened in Nigeria, no Broibo. It is for those things. Eduki. When you Christian, educate as in send send. You know, educate was send, but don't you for that? Not a people there won't do them because you more there's yoku. You that didn't call him as the GO. Get it better now. You are not talking about government. Why are you always talking about church? Why only see the Moganya or Katamuto? Burumoto Pia. But no, for everyone has done to buy a break ritual. Tinye by Facebook video. You see what I'm telling you? You see what I am clamoring? You see what I am clamoring? I'm clamoring now. Yeah, I am clamoring now. You see what Christians have brought to us, and what's them to Christian, and what's them to church, and what's them to Jesus Christ. Chineka Pogoku. Who have all those things? Go for oh Jesus Christ. I'm telling you, all these people are just making noise. How does they make carry noise? It doesn't have education in form of educate is trying to build his page. If I not build a page, I want to monetize here. Educate ejike n'obodo ejike n'obodo ejike ka ngụ I'm telling you ejikara gị mmanwụ amam idiri ịna-afụtakwa afọ ọnụgụ na idiri otu isi gị na-adịbasa asonye nọ na line of health iwu iwe gị ekwu eziokwu asị na asị kpụrụ gị isi asị na asị nwe kpụrụ gị isi eziokwu adịghị gị n'ọnụ eziokwu tegoba adịghị gị n'ọnụ. Leave them. I want some time for them.
I'm waiting for the day. I will every door but on Facebook. Every door before can check maybe they may talk but the more the more I'm beginning to even get worried. Just look at somebody can go see something. Now. Yeah? There have never been a day all of that put on Facebook raise another issue. To some point we have been raising. He can never do that. Okay, if I get a Onyi Nwa Imo as somebody feel out to fight injustice in Igbo, why can't he raise it as a topic? It was a raising can do why will a brother threaten one day because of religion? Why can't he raise it as a topic? Let us discuss it.
As you can decide, I don't see the reason why you see the mama. They are na social media. In a consider here was Omenala Igbo. We were English. Every time I saw English, my mom have put it. Cut and join English on a coil in here. Now even the middle guy popular. I can never bring a GK picture with work again. Other possible memory again. I'm going to that picture you work. Ejike with the worst human being ever. Ejike wolf. Ejike a Cameroon. Ejike with pure Cameroon. Otak order. Ejike Otak order. He never stand in the truth. Ejike never stand in the truth. Ejike is a moment of lie. All the moment rebel. They have seen that and is another way to get people. How we suit. Get your okay. I bet and the other pastor. You are in it was image church in the convert supermarket. Man, I be no one even hall. Either bet you get a supermarket first.
Old now, I will go
no supermarket first. If it was there doesn't make check. You get meaning. Sorry for more. Like for example, actually money. If you put money, you make that person your friend. You know that. If you go money. Okay, look, I'm not getting so I can't get you. I cannot get you. Man, I'm able to make peace with you. Make peace with you. Each other, I give up. I will make it. So this is exactly what they are doing. Have you you not church? I brought church, but let me use that word church. Have you church? You need to Bible. Now turn the Bible upside down. When and people actually now where is your if I want to have followers now, from now 1 week, 300 something thousand followers now, I will burn Bible, denounce Christ now. Bwana Bible na nende area sisi neso harinda nanda bundara. I put we 2 weeks and when 300 something thousand followers.
It's true.
People are like Gigabana where has Yogu, even as Yogu are for Nante. Yoda. Over for example, I put a rebana when you touch small boys, watch us small girls. Yoda go, in a hello, biggie. I want to feel comfortable. Man, I'm not able to look at with Dana again. If I had Sapia, I want to poor. Man, I need to have fun. Yoda go, as in her feeling relaxed. So people chori no ebe ga-awu ka na azi ha chọghị n'ebe a na-ekwu eziokwu ha chọghị n'ebe a na-ekwu eziokwu a hapụrụ ihe kwesịrị na a na-ekwu na-akọ adati nke ka edipa mmadụ fọ nwere nne ha lere na ancestors ha. You are claiming that your ancestors ha nwụgo ancestors nwa ancestors ọnwụgo nwezi ancestors mgbe ọ dị ndụ nwe ya mere gị ọkịta ọgwụgwọ ga-emere gị ihe. You are claiming that I didn't put our ancestors, but I go on work with ancestors and Dibolana, Alana, Dibolana, Nijilana, vegetable broibo. In a claim, Nando Tab, your ancestor. Ile na what as the branch no is general say Kìll apara. What na come bullshit. I'm saying as a woman. I'm not speaking as a man. If I go to one would go Kìll abi agbogun. How can you advise me? You are making this. No, my brother. Let me allow you to consider here now. I can be talking to that now. I do one. Good afternoon.
Okay, can go back comment now this particular thing. I'm going to put on Facebook. They think Nandem Mado, the threat near because he is speaking for Zion. Somebody to KGK, somebody who is still claiming up to today to be a Christian. Yes, you are an inside enemy. You are an enemy within. A potential na such post commenting when you drop with Onyi Imo, stop lying. It's not a big deal that you are posting about Zion, and perhaps anyone threatening you based on that, then it's an indication that something is wrong with such a person. However, I don't believe that someone can do such, but because can do such just because you posted about him. Thousands of people has been posting about him, even his staunch followers. What is so special about your own posting? Keep chasing clout, use sycophant and flatterer. So now, Melu, Onyi Nwa Imo, a sycophant and a flatterer, because he is speaking on behalf of Zion and the evangelist Bobble. But you are not a sycophant and a flatterer, always running around Matthias, now Lasha Ike, Nesi. Yeah? If you follow Matthias, Ipu Abubu, Esari Abubu, Matthias Jiwa, Ewoya, if you follow Elasha Matthias Ike, are you not a sycophant and a flatterer also? Yeah? Sure. So anybody who speaks on behalf of Zion automatically becomes somebody on the opposite side with you, yet you keep claiming that you are a Christian. I pity HK moment of truth. Why I am pitying him is that for if you had indirectly when I'm God will hear me today. Any day it will start. It will start from their immediate families, because the people you are always supporting, they are up against Christians. In your immediate family, a Christian. A Christian. A Christian. You are even pretending to be a Christian. So who says that when you start, you are going to be spared? Is it not only Ofeke Wunye Jake, how much is it in Unune? Shen Unune Babasha, no Kayafwebo Debisi. Ununa Babasha, you will have no shelter over your head. Gawani Rusa.
No, this and they post me here this morning. I tell them Zion no. Ebukobinozo, almost something Jurajo, just ask a question. Onyoka will like yesterday night. Program na daddy from Onanya. Guinea Bissau Mabo. Here David as Damina about tithe or preaching Keko Swede. I was on the Kuyanabo. Oh, my God, Mana Oji must know annual for member on a page, Pastor CBA, near Makasi, no against them. Let me come again. I'm coming. So, into what now? This man now, and I bomb Zion race now. Get name of a business. You have never done anything with that man. Why does Igbo hate this man too? That's my question. I used to follow this man. I have never seen this man against Igbo tradition, Igbo culture. Condemning Madama, Kadima Jinata. Imagine go Lagos state government in the Wetanaka man abogoteru. Believe me, it can't go in the city Lagos may travel. If Nabia airport, last year, Lagos state will get the award because now as now 70% in Abia Lagos, but because of Zion, 25% Tibisha Wuru.
you know, government was there again, 30% the teacher would, every government was there, every 20%. Now, every of our like a government and what an eastern number say on. In my Lagos state, I went there. This man decided that Copri a Ndi Igbo problem, eh? Kedi home her. Now, I'm on one KGK, Mboyana, Chimbo, somebody, blogger. Suggested this man now, Guinea ko oil go biko, Guinea ko wage. Oh, this guy Maya. I'm not the fan of that guy because I hate him. He against him, only make droge. Oh, they against him. I'm saying this woman now in a Charatan. I have never offended you. You know the woman, and you are the woman. I've done it. Why calling her name? In a Charatan. Why call the woman name? You know the woman. The first them from post Onyi, I'm now after Onyi. I know they were attacking. The way he went. Just an announcement. Non a Imo State. Ngompala. I lay back and I go now. If I go hot cake now, you have never go there. Just now, and the company. Oh, your baby bar now. Can't go. On sometimes no cook blanket. Imagine after Nigerian bureaus Nenugu. Company back na 1 second. Na the whole Enugu after Nigerian bureau. Nenugu gang verify. Next company the highest. But company back this aquarafa. Water. Have the highest. Mando nenyeni. Esi Nsuka abia. Esi Udabia. Esi Enugu state abia. Tanabia. Abideba. Moto nebute buchi again. Now, as soon as that company I draw now. All those students are already back. Kedebe higher now. After Nigerian bureaus. The same thing this man about now. With this plan surgical. This is Ndi Igbo. Ndi Igbo or block circle. This Matthias Attire poster. Na Peru. Na Peru no or Rubeku no just audio hospital. No address. I ask the question. Hospital how many years? No address. Let's say hospital almost 1 million. Look at it, mentality money. It's 1 million. Audio hospital on Canon on the chat. Can address the one can check audio. So when you about now, I have advised education and commenter. Manana na obu marunabo. O when you abosia. Okurobu se. As me pastor ki jerunkie. Nyewu naba mbangwas that. Give a break GK. Another blogger see Oku. Did the matter say anything about accident here? Okuroku. Oh, comment on who say leave all those pastors alone. Mboy Jeff Matthias. Nyege ewu. Bonus and what's that? Every pastor kijeme. Omuro ife. Ma waja. Ma wantasio. Omuro ife heko. But nobody talk because need getting konya like nyewu ama. We never. Imon boche kada akaranti. Each one of them no febe. Onyi Nwa Imo o made mistake ni hoposo ya force can fail you can join again oh ya me haji hate ye can fail okurora how to can use platform okurora
name my issue here. Name my issue. The moment Onyi Nwa Imo put on Facebook about people interested in life here. It shouldn't even be about religion anymore. It shouldn't even be about who you like or who you don't like because we should now address that issue as Igbos and not as that Omenala or as Onoka, whether they like it or they follow yes. The moment you should be an Igbo man automatically. Restore factory setting. You should stand and condemn that act as an Igbo man. Knowing that Onyi Nwa Imo is your Igbo brother. Unless they are Westwood, I will go. Onwelu video follow. Onyamumari ji melu na page. Ebe ono na mmiri aswakwa. Somebody gana eno na mmiri. No kata mmiri ni onya. Onya Jesus. Ona asula akwa ona aso. Onya atiki to Jesus mmiri now okay moment of Jesus so be say no ka mmadu na etimbu here o we say the person na mmiri eri go there o say can you think am eji ozi we je stop that the person o we go nya na onye ahụ fụrụ ya ka ọ nọ here hapụ nyanwa na-akpọ Jizọs na ọgwụgwọdụ na nyanwa je help ya na ọ pụtakwa na Jizọs wụ onye ọya ekele. Now if I would a message pass clearly that na ọpụta n'ụzọ fụ ebe somebody who a Christian brother not in pain that no that is simply because onye a Christian and not a fellow Igbo man like him. That division is clear. And believe me, none of them said anything about that. The moment they go people bring down the wall of a church and a building I bought with my money, they came after him fighting for Mountain of Fire. They started fighting for Mountain of Fire, even when the Mountain of Fire Church has never complained of anything. Now, I am asking you, they even started telling us about division, Nime Church, because there are no more church people, but they can never take their eyes away from it. They came in came as human rights activists to come and fight for Mountain of Church, Mountain of Zion Church also. You see, but your own brother, who is an Igbo man, Melufido, Ebemili, Onyi Nwa Imo.
Thank you.
Onyi Nwa Imo believe in Jesus. We say, no, you just stop Tonya, no, let back million that Onyi Nwa Imo. There is no state.
Come to go. Now, Okubano with the matters in the land and Enugu, opposed to Lana. I asked one question.
Yes.
Can they sell that land to Christian? Hasim, yes. You say why? I do a land to Christian. You hate Christian, but you love their money. Nobody answer that question. You can do business with a Christian. You can the Christian can buy something from you. Just you need that money, but you can never do anything with a Christian. Hamari, only will say, has not live without Christian. Only open a word signboard. This shop is for Milala. Modern shop where Kakris and Denka, every Pentecostal, a massacre, every Banglica, it's cross, Ibu Catholic, it's a crucifix. Kamandago Yebu, in Wiki Lala, Nay Christian. Magano Egeki needed. Monatani Hozo, Inazo. Ebuna Kizana has Zoom, Matasana, and has Zamoto. Madonna and Yazamoto on a road that tip on a couple.
Something just like the same way the guy who was no, you just stop the guy. No, some Tasha the guy. Now, no, you get Jesus. Mataya Saka Hapuka. Either less Christian Sana. Because let's start Christian and now he'll say, oh, you back in Jesus. For you, so why can't you check that money? Since because
thank you.
Now, I give you my money, you give me your land. Now, whoever I give praises to, or I give thanks to, or Jesus, man. So you shouldn't give it to me so that I don't give that glory to another man. We know where they are going to. We know where they are going to. Or another person drop that comment. I will not even pay much attention to that comment. Or I may even address it just for the purpose of talking to our Igbo brothers. But even Melia or don't mind blowing, it's coming from HK who keeps saying, I'm a Christian, I'm a Christian, I'm a Christian. Madipia no long way. Ejike ma ho na agwu mari ebe ha n'elugu. Ejike nwere iko wo na agwu nna nna ya mari ma na ọma ho. Ejike nwere iko wo na agwu mari ejike ma na ọma ho. And you don't need Iri for a better deliverance. Ejike need Iri for a better deliverance because I don't think he is acting out of his own way. I think he is acting under one manipulation of something or the other. How can you see something like this? So, for the sake of not a member of your family, I cannot condemn it as an Igbo man. I cannot even condemn it as a Nigerian. Is that not why we are where we are today? Is that not why we are where we are today?
It's true.
When Chaka the Christians are not. The Northerners, some of them, in the moral sense in India, they supported it. Today, who are the people suffering now? Who are the people being displaced from their home? Who are the people being taken to IDP camps? Who are the people who never have water? Conquer their villages. Or the same Hausa, or the same But the same but it is out of their negligence, because when that thing was starting, if they have risen up against injustice against Ndoka, it could have been justice for all and not justice for a selected people. But they were rejoicing. They were yes. That is why when the man. If you are bitter about somebody, be careful so that at the process of chasing that person, he destroy you. It is very important. A lot of people destroy you today because of bitterness. If you don't control it, he destroy every single thing he possesses in this life. And yet, even one. Yes. Goal, he has scored. Goal, he has scored. You see, they will be condemn just property without minding property. Now get that. Everybody, they might have if you go say that they have spoken for themselves first. The moment you make it different or what or pause, see from that shell condemn you mad. Nibu mother Omuno deserve Ribu, whether Onye Ubu, Neba Alakoba, whether Onyi Igbo, Nebunyoji, whether Onyoka, Bible. Omuno or Balaye supposed to lay for any cause of injury. Nobody, will anybody, go and no. Na say onye na-egwu na ndị mmadụ na-akpọ ya na phone na-akpọ ya na ụlọ ome ife na ha egwu ịnụla ebe ị nọ na-asị na ọ na-egwu egwu that nọ na-echesi cloud. How mean can you be? So na ife ahụ ife ji egwu egwu all the right na mmadụ nwere ike ịpụta ejiri ime ịjụkwa ọsọsọ nyawu onye na-egwu ịma mmadụ niile na-egwu maka Ebuka Obi ịma na mmadụ niile a na-egwu maka Ebuka Obi na people na-abịa na their inboxes na-esendere ya social messages. Yes. Before Mbata Nigeria last year, a mama don't send the message. One now Mbata East, then a mama don't media, a mama don't media. Yeah, on Facebook, the law of karma is real. The law of karma is real. The law of karma is real. Okuti malu nime afya. Yeah. A man who knows to he will get more good than look at Mother Dream. You know, yes, never put up what you see. He will get not go for get on for the Lama for CNC or one young like each put out with my PC. Open now, all these things I will put on Facebook. Who something to do with something about Igbos in general, come out and speak against it. In one, not on Facebook, I will catch you. If you have out of line, come out and condemn it as an Igbo man. You get why? And we reason for that. A Yama reason for that. You want to know reason for that. If people want the money, just like educate, join the Bomatayas. Fully now, one day, I am telling you, I am giving it to you as a prophecy. Only for job to woman. Only now really for job. Only for job. No name provided no blonde. Nako the same jack on a one day, Matthias will mock a motor accident. Yamano will one day not even put out. And we will help you finally to give you a proper mocking. It is happening. You know me. People like me, we don't send. When we want to serve you with your own cup, when we want to serve you with your own spoon, we don't look back. We may do everything possible to avoid that occurrence, but if you neglect it and it ever occur, I'm sorry. Will it jelly when will it jelly will it jelly chubuka will you one day, he made video because motor will accident. A man one day on email you. Now factory a man one day on email. na tanka gbasara busisi mmadụ enwere ndị nọ n'ime ọkwụ otiri take wee record of every single victim nọ there ebe a ka ya nọ wee mara na onwere nwanne ihu nọ n'ime ebe ahụ na onwe nwanne nọ n'ime ebe ahụ. So continue unu condemn ife ọjọọ na unu ife ọjọọ. You have joined Matthias fully in mocking our people. After me feeding akwara Mr. Ibu ịpụta constantly since woman onwe since he believe go if he believe can even pattern accident ya who will not avoided. Can even pattern not avoided. Can from one night akwu puta he make a reference to that accident and one puta because name money for your melu. You know what you lost in that accident. You knew how you felt the day in that accident. That is why I could him reference to that accident. I would have allowed him to say what he wanted to say. I would have allowed him to say what he wanted to say. I will still bring him up on another live broadcast. Time where if you know what you wanted to say about that accident, then stop. Go ahead and say it. It doesn't deserve any mess. Yes, what is good for the good. It's good for the gander. You cannot serve somebody fund and expect that person to serve you rice in return. You are being selfish about that. The moment you make a reference to accident, you kept on repeating it. You kept on repeating it. This is the accident our brother was trying to mock me about. But you go about mocking a family, the family of Igbo, lose an illustrious son of death. You mock Junior Pope. You don't a man on that man who the pillar of his family. A man on that man with a lot of people they do that man hanya. You were mocking them with reckless abandon. Nke ha bon elufugo mmadu mmadu awugo eluwago mmadu nana. But nkelu you only lost your car that was damaged. Yet the moment they make a reference to it, you put emotional blackmail. You reposted the picture of that accident more than how many times? Crying there, I can feel the tears in the right of simply because somebody made mention of that accident. The chef is there an accident scene Matthias in a record. Now all those people on our walk, no email. Now party on a single now yet you will be Christians. No one to call you. I will go and take out those videos of your accident. Will you make a Facebook from tomorrow? Watch if I from Ishi. Watch if I from Ishi. I will go and dig up those videos and the pictures being posted to my accident from Ishi. Maybe I want a Facebook with that accident. I want to make you feel what the pains and the bitterness those people run on walk on feel, even without coming on Facebook to come and express themselves. Is it because they're on Facebook? That was why he was mocking me. This is the accident he was mocking me about. So you can feel the pain of somebody mocking you, but you will delight pleasure in mocking another person. Makano, your emotion will headquarters of the whole emotions of the people. They play. No on Facebook, they group a new set of criminals. Ye destroy your no man, not to me. Yes, ye destroy your no man, not me. They send the mado. Na uno bishop haji bawusi and the man. Mazo. Emonya bawulu. Emado funya bawulu. Not related to you. Also bishop piano loss of mpe. Ka bishop na edi mpe ka a lot of families na eni nwa ha na eni nwunye ha na eni di ha na eni nwanne ha nwanyị na eni nwanne ha nwoke. That is the effect of irrational actions. That is the effect of acting out of bitterness, out of jealousy, or out of hatred, or whatever thing. Yes, you went there, but then you made church. Without looking, now, a lot of people in that process because of Bishop. Also, Bishop came major now. Also, Bishop came major. A lot of families now say, listen, yet these are families gonna help you anything. So, when you decide to take an irrational decision, one way or the other, it may come back to you. It may come back to you. You know, they say, yes, It is an irresponsible act, but there are better ways to go about it. Then, potassium the matter. Each the ham okay, Parisi, boy. Yeah, one no okay, Mohana, no Nishana movie, one of fully Abrams, no more Rebecca Parisi. Send I got a good easy for 1 week, more got easy for a video shoot, more got easy for a drama or art, or Pachisia now. I'll give a better example. And you give me example 2 times on Facebook. But let me give that example again. I was watching a movie. I posted that movie here on Facebook. I was watching a movie. We will see bitterness and the anger to revenge if I will. Female family. A way be meeting Igbo. A way they na-ejide onye ohi na this community again. I hand the onye ohi to the police. But they don't say no. Na-ejide onye ohi na ya gbawuye. And now we say because only no here. Je na ni Fedima. Na metu aka na like and the efunanya. Jigasi ike dey eba akita na awo Now you gotta go. Now like and definanya. Now like and definanya. Now we are there and you gotta go. So in his sense, you can see a man who is thirsty to take revenge. But now the direction of that revenge is what he has not really paused to ponder. In other words, will make that revenge open to everybody, even those who has not wronged him. Now, the Bugide will insist here, they don't know here. In fact, you see, focus. When I've been a palace, Yellow na palace, Naya no Subo, or 1 moke Dorana, or 1 moke Bonyo here each cell. A web okay, never Lebuna, Lage don't know him. Naya Bawe. Can we now do justice to this guy? Yamama no, the only son, oh well, Mother, and we say what you mean, or when she Tabalaha, Naha, who let you know him. Apoje police mmadu we sie owuru nwa onye ozo ka ejidere ofia ihe kweta ka apoje na police or because of no one owekwu no ogugo na mmadu nwa metu nwa ya aka one man no na-eme ka o si eme because of ife mata ya say ngata awuda o haso wo ko na-eme etu ahụ si eme go enwere a lot of people o na-eme etu o si eme ma no ụbọchị ife eme ka ndị ahịa nọ gba n'ụbọchị amụrụ dike na mba ka amụrụ ibe you gotta go. That man all they made to see we put table, we do ya. He's the wife. It was him who indirectly passed judgment on his son out of bitterness and his desperate testing to take vengeance without knowing the direction of every vengeance. So sometimes know when you are going out of limit. Educate, Matthias and the likes of you. You people are beginning to put the safety of Igbo land in this mess. You people should retrace your step right now. Retrace your step right now. Come out and address your people. Address this particular thing. Onyi Nwa Imo. Address it. It is high time that threatening should stop. It is high time that threatening should stop. It should stop. Even when you have to gentle when you go up to the level of madness in any because of no which for the adverse effect of Allah who decided to stop because people will until one day if I can you people come out and address your people? Come out and address your people. These particular people who be against. You have them in your individual families, very closer related to you. by blood relationship. Why are you putting the life of those people in danger simply because you want to come on Facebook to be making a point which I am failing to understand? Which I am failing to understand. Yes, that is why. Mile on nail on now if I made mistake. The mother web on Facebook. When I walk educate, when I walk, how will you feel? I am asking you, how will you feel? How will you feel? It's what it is to preach about the reality. Only for you. Or when you say no, na mile on power. You will put you know. You never see only for you. You never only what you will administer all the medical whatever thing if you know or her or him. Then at the end of the day, the person end their up. People who put on Facebook, will say, yes, since you have rejected Christ, since you have turned your back on olive oil, since you decided not to use holy water, and at the end of the day, that's the reality in a preach. Now your mother, how will you feel, educated? How will you feel? Every single day, people in a hospital, emergency ward, now baby people are getting operation. All over people now, my daughter, even the go back go play there, J India, he make it transplant. For the every night, she make a baby for the survival. So, since you know all these things, why will you people allow Matthias to be mocking our people? When we mock you, you will get upset. When we mock you, you will begin to cry. Aku has not even finished what he is saying. Yes. Onye watching your conduct on Facebook, now the next time that accident are you blaming that person? A one along, if Miss people can die. An actor to Miss people who is a public figure. When he came on Facebook, they make a mockery of him. How many people money? Money they exist. Money they exist. So when you put up that the next time here when that accident, I don't know where you because that was if in a do you really care about other people or you only care about yourself? So you think that your emotion, Major Women Foundation, our own emotion. My dear, you are lying. You are lying. I see a potabia or ya wiala. Mondeni ne pro na wiala bottom. Apparently, who ya see you to a baloto or say no ya quadioto. You need the heat scissors with Pecasia Quadon now. Mulaka yip about a motor. So if you know, name I wiala, you won't monopoly over Allah. It is a decision. Yes. It's a decision somebody can easily take. If that person has not taken that decision, it doesn't mean no so monopoly over evil. Yes. I hope you understand clearly what I am trying to say. So, in the process of this thing, and even at Facebook, when you see Iwaji, stand up and condemn that Iwaji. Do not cover it up because tomorrow it may come back to you in 100-fold. Yes. And you will come out to come and cry. You will come out to come and cry. Can just shed their crocodile tears. Except if you have buried your soul down how many feet below. But you will cry when the mother put a you accident. You will not cry because you came on Facebook. They are using my accident to listen. Look at the accident. You were trying to show us the level and magnitude of the accident in survival. Yeah? You were coming out to come and show us the magnitude of the accident in survival. In other words, instead of day one you're survival, and you are a joker, educate. You are a serious joker of 4th century. You think that this Facebook is all about you. Every day you come here in our was carrying on Facebook, then I saw you. Why would I even talk to you? Let me talk to you, then we can continue being friends. Because man, because if you make the say but yeah. I thought to name on a Western country. I thought to name on an advanced country. Can you for once behave like somebody who lives in Germany? Stop behaving like somebody who lives in who has never stepped beyond the River Niger. Stop behaving like that person. Because a lot of people who stay in Nigeria here, they move go to anywhere. They are even thinking more better than you. They are thinking more reasonable than you. Every day, church is this. Why can't we talk about this? Why can't we talk about this? A pastor who are you? Ono ya analyze okwu to carry you up and down. Put you shini okwu yelu, shit we ana. But the same thing away from the other side. On our puta, maybe defend there. But if far, let me tell you the biggest reality of our time. Ike the population of Igbos into two. Ike the population of Igbos into three. Let me use into three. Two half and quarter of that half are all Christians. So one say also in all angles, because you are all surrounded by 5-10 of people, even in your family. You will first of all run away from your family. See that your family forfeit you forfeit everything you whatever. What go down, what go, because you cannot even contend with your family members alone. Not because of it, but you when you do Murungus, what the reality of things. Opening branches everywhere without even members. Yeah? Matthias is the only man who's going to make a business, make a church, make branches everywhere without members. You keep opening branches, you and that GO without members. Build one before you go to another one. Is that the members and your online noise makers? Yeah, your online noise makers. That is what I will call them. Online noise makers. I'm home with high abata or hake ya one batanulu. Ebia menonsense in a menongo. Have you forgotten if you will online noise makers? Are you not aware now? Online noise makers? Some of them have not even visited home for the past 10 or for the past 15 years. They have lost touch with the reality here. Some of them have lost touch with the reality here. They don't know the way to their father's house anymore. Are they the people you are going to bring back to come and help you? No, in Amway, be the one. Okay, in Amway, be the one. Eh? You should have gone, nothing I have to go out. Have not had you here more. Are you forgotten so soon? Put that on a Facebook, their address here, this nonsense, no to them. Their address here. You can talk about whatever thing in it without making reference to any atom of violence or the other. Yes. It's none of your business. It is my decision that I have seen him worthy. It is also your decision that you have seen him unworthy. Yes. You can only try to fight with my idea and not me. Because nobody finished ceremonial. When finished ceremonial, I can't see any day any one of you, but I will feed on every threat and worry open a program on. Manante Madana kept Diana Comi, Chelu, Afro Maybe, Kelafaya, Nagusta Iagoloye, Nande Zion Nagi, Nando Kauski Kahanago. Wait, let me go to my inbox. Let me go to my inbox. Ụlọ ya amacha eziokwu ọ na-amanụ ụma na-etu isi eziokwu na-etu isi ya oke mgbada ọzọ ana m ediri iji ụfọdụ pọta o nwere So let me go to one. Kanje na nke video. Video. It is still here. Kanje na nke video. Okay, that guy, to catch somebody. The Facebook guy can go even more to one. No, they named this 1st or 4th of June or so. Because 4th of July, 4th of August or so. I don't know. Or August, either May or June. A lot of you people make sure because of no on your side. Make a video screenshot of conversation. Na come on weba. Le traite nom no mexiciano. Onye kwugharị ọnụ side eni on our master. On our master. Biko, can I share this broadcast? Make sure you share this broadcast. Make sure you share this broadcast. Then now, can go this one now. If you had a claim, or this particular one, or this particular one, when you can post through here, also you assure me or have any fan about only one, or if you only one boy. Do you really know your God Jesus is your God to hell? Okay, say to hell with you and your Jesus. Or say F you, F your mother, F your father, everybody, including your pastors. F him before me. F Nina Mbolo, him before me. F you, F your mother, F your father, F everybody, including your pastors. Now, we post one picture of Ishi and the Igbo one. We post one picture of Ishi and the Igbo one. Where same after we are through with these two, before we hear, after they are gone, you will be the next in our list. Take me by my word, save this message. I saw the video you do about me. The first one, the first one, the second one after Michelle video Makayo. Awesome. I saw the video you did about me. You cannot understand what I am saying, but with time, you will understand that we are everywhere, including your family. Send the Aaron this thing. Send the Aaron this thing. Every mother now puts you to an anchor. Send the Aaron Yasem. Sure, you know the meaning of this. We are all over the world. We will come after three of you. It's not a joke, it's a promise. The day it will be your turn, you will not see chance to call your pastor again. Take me by my word, including the compound that you live. My member is also there. You cannot escape it. Mama, see, organize what to offer. Nankota na abuja data. See any ways. See ofeke and okoko like you. You will learn because of every time three of you only talk about Matthias. Do you know who Matthias is? I will teach you some tricks you don't know and you will learn. Also, Matthias is my spiritual father, like your pastor. Ebukobi is your spiritual father. Three of you, your picture is everywhere right now. Very soon, you will see what will happen before this year will end. Just give us time. Then, I will increase the volume at which I talk about him from now on. I will increase more from now on. I will not tell you anything again, but sit and watch what will happen. Me and you will be mate. Go and find your grade and level, or find Ndabul in English like you. Have a wonderful good day and rest in peace in advance for three of you. Otigba, this particular thing again. Semu, happy for them. Actually, this but I show me or say we come after your picture everywhere now. You don't know how many numbers of people that is looking for three of you. My brother, you will not understand. No, your whole family will rest in peace before your own eyes. Before you join them painfully. No go find money. Or say, I live in Italy. I am more better than you, but I am in and around right now. After I am through with two of you that stay in Nigeria, before I will go after that woman that stay in America. When say your mates are looking for money, when say your mates are looking for money, and you do money for something of fake. I know people like you. Also, I will not tell you anything again, but you will watch and see what will happen. You don't really know who is Matthias. You are just running your mouth there. Because of Matthias, we will use three of you as an example. You see my Facebook, right? It's not a fake account. You got to go. Now, I posted this. We post one picture Matthias here. You got to go. We post one picture of Matthias here. Well, you don't really know who is this man to me, and you will know it in the hard way. This man here is more powerful than all your pastors put together. You see they play. Then, post to picture of Ishi. Post to picture of Ishi. Semo, look at your mom in the Lord. That is the last moment before I later blocked him. Now, HK, if through this one, for example, if through this one, yet, open somebody put on a Facebook, now wear such things. A pota, polo, now so now they chasing cloud. Chasing cloud for what? Chasing cloud for what I am asking you. Does it mean that Nangomo will go cloud in a chase? When you people say that Nandesa leg is short one, or cloud couldn't chase? You think that some of these things are not happening? You think that some of these things are not happening? Like I said, Iju were complaining something to me when we were in the Navy. Yes, and he has come online repeatedly to complain about the same thing. I have done it. Every other person has done it. And you people are still thinking that it is a joke. But the moment the father, some conversations in the mother and son, or the other day, when you're married, one also know a pastor because you know Sunday and who need a chain comment section ever he come. Chain comment section ever he come. Make on they play. Okay, more qua on an army and I live. Who was so quiet. Yeah. Yeah. But so quiet, man also, none of my family, yam also, yes, none of my family, yam also, Yeah, Mugu. You are now trying. You are now trying to your stupid. Of course, even before just looking at yourself, bingo like you. You want to defend evil. You must collect. Okay, for ya. Onye nke akita. After was your Brendan Okele culture. You want to go? It might be a fake account, but only a real account to his name. You want to go? You see? You want to go? I am only jumping some of them because of the amount some of the things that they're banning. Otherwise, on Ayagota, yeah, I'm jumping most of them. If you when go say my inbox, you will scream and you will shout. Yes, go say my inbox, you will scream and you will shout. You gotta go. You will scream every day. How reduce nataraketa? How reduce nataraketa? Yeah? How reduce nataraketa? Only one particular one from Newi. Only guy, I will remember his name. Somebody, that guy from Newi. Only guy, voice note upon voice note, voice note upon voice note, voice note upon voice note. Only one shall say for one. Na memory keep at Newi. No, because some man but Newi, never people know now monitor. Where I'm but Newi. Now me video, a man I'm not Newi. Wish I did. Wish I did. Wish I did. Huh? Yes. Wish I did. If I okay, when you go just so I have to then I want my palm. So for yeah. So every day when you ask him, this boy, why are you so useless? Can't you find a job? Every day when you ask him, you are a compound fool or some you are a company every day. Message wasting no for opportunity or you poison no you poison no you make it and one yes no for opportunity or you poison no you poison. Have you not seen in some of their comment sections every year for even the I hate Isiagu with passion? Have you not seen it? What are they doing? Yeah, what are they doing about it? Okay, what are they doing or saying about it? You'll be the most foolish mugu I've ever seen. Na father Mr. Man, shut that gutter. You come out. Why are you this too and unreasonable? Defending a fraudster and a deceiver, a liar that has not healed any known blind person since he opened that business center Zion Ministry in Lagos. You are always talking raw. Aren't you ashamed of yourself? If I wouldn't aha mado. Go. If I wouldn't aha mado. Go. Yeah? Onye nke apịakwa, onye nke amechal, onye nke eteka o, onye nke ọ sịrị m, you are a total disgrace to mankind. You are defending Ogechi without putting your leg in that woman's shoe. Your generation must suffer. I bet you with Alakulu, the supreme god of judgment, your wife will soon be a widow. Your children will hawk pure water in the village, not even city. Mark today's date. Ethiopia. In Anue. In Anue. Up in Anue. Yeah? Mwefia. Send this message with your real account. Or I don't hear you are too small for me. Eh? Just ask your uncle about Jackson the Bull of Oga. If you escape this, then call me a pass. No, what on earth will make a full-grown fool and delish man like you to defend injustice? Also, if your wife never become a widow, then the needful will be done. You gotta go. Then, Obiapasim, okay, only if they can say, Achomo, or some laws, you can only F Ogechi and get tired. Mwese high level of it. Awesome, but you must ahead, awesome, but you must surely enter Newi. You are gone, but you must surely enter Newi. You are gone forever. Yeah? Because now Onyi Nwa Imo do you know how many of such messages I can read out for you here? Do you know how many of such messages I can look at? Lucky enough, I bump into it. You gotta go. Awesome. You must surely enter Navy. You are gone forever. You gotta go. Then, you can only F Ogechi. You will lick my mom's AC. Also, you can near my father. Even now, a lot of things. Yeah? Yeah? I once told your uncle that your parents can make it in life. You gotta go. This is somebody, man. The same parents on the can feed him and his entire family. You gotta go, but let us not go there. You gotta go. Expired. I told me that even now I know you expired generation. You can go on and on. If so, that is the extent these people got in trying to threaten you and use fear to shut your mouth. Do you know how long these people try to shut our mouth? Yeah? Yeah? Do you know how many times people try to shut our mouth? I do. I do. Should I go on and read that for you? Actually, I'm going to page here. The extent these people got in this particular struggle, happy to hand on it. Now, what these people only need is maybe somebody will get empower, because all these ones they will live. All these ones they will live. You know that go? All these ones who move again. You are a full blogger, a full and rich blogger. Why you didn't go and help the mama? Osemo, thunder, you ED Emargoni for Nkosego, yeah, Nkosego comments, Nkobalo, even that they tell me here, yeah, and when you try to say it online, if they are happy another thing. When I heard Onyi Nwa Imo, of course, the moment follow that thing on about Zion, I already know that this thing will happen. I already know that it will happen. Of course, I already know that it will happen because I know that their mode of operation is to bring you into silence. I already know. And that is why you go on. I don't listen to it because I know that they are master in everything. For as long as they represent here online and not even condemning their animalistic behaviors. Yeah? You want me to go and condemn Onyesa Yongologi? Onyesa Yongologi, then condemn Onyesa Manantena Basia na Ibuai, Onona Krohaka. Ejike practically came out to defend somebody, to defend an unknown person who he doesn't know, to somebody who he already know, not complain of something. Iri blessing, happier. Unblock my block here from this page. Said, unblock my block here from this page. Go see about to Capo. Oh, happy Hannah page about the good ever. Hamarona, you, Makife, Ndi Igbo. But I had a page, ebe ya will weber Hana Kotu, Olueba, or nothing, I write on one chineke, Galaniru, send that squire walk. Send that squire walk. If you don't want to Mevenu, Gavadu, eh? Gavadu, but let me tell you, wouldn't have all these things when it will start. When it will start, people like you, some of you, when you get that maka all these things. Yes. Ebe ọ na-efo ekwugodoloku ekwudo maka ndụ onye Igbo. Hapụgodo ife gbasara omenala. Hapụgodo ife gbasara ụka. Let us talk about ndụ mmadụ. Let us talk about ndụ mmadụ because life is more precious than all these things are they put. And onye du ndụ can turn to anybody. Onye du ndụ echi can decide to go to Christianity. Onye du ndụ echi we can decide ya ịnachiga to omenala. The most important thing is I don't do. Come out and condemn it. Ejike moment of truth. Ejike moment of life. You should change that to your name to Ejike moment of life. Because Onyi Nwa Imo, we stand with you to the Wafaso. Happen that and that way born kafana. My brother, happen that and that way born kafana. What I go. Some of them are frustrated people. I hope you know. Unfortunately, how people do frustrated already. So forget about empty Forget about empty just the low for any would you say here as an example? What I go? Will for any say here as an example. Happy born Hana. What I go? Happy born of Hana. Happy send the field what I go? Happen the good field when we get this particular thing in the team, we get or hammer, Yahweh the first victim. Then you will also join to seek for justice on their behalf. Eba kama kusia, anything meaning in a woka. Dalom, Obersta Malaima. All Isiagu vida, Kalafuli, Nishialia. Muhoje mokarishali yikanda manda ya ta kwa mande nda ya parisha paria nde paria generation wunire onye sa yonku gari hono ona agbapụta ide teach good morals so olu na ebe ntesa yon no kwuru na-egosi na unu nwe good morals na asụrụ na asụ mana ndị otu unu enweghị ụdị ihe ha ya bụ mmadụ ha ya fụ a married woman ha gụba a married woman iyi kpọba ya shawo kpọba ya akwụna kpọba ya ife niile what can if you never do? Can you go condemn good? If you take in the way in Zion or Madi, it's a man desire never. How or why ya? How or why that since you to mma unu kwuru na ikpu iyi to mma na problem ụzọ onye akpọrọ ya oge onye akpọrọ iyi ahụ problem and unu sị na ịkpọ mmadụ afa dị mma na the problem si akpọ na dị onye nke ife niile a na-eme ọ dị mma but the problem depending on onye a na-akpọ ya onye ahụ dị mma ngwa ndị ji ife Father Kelvin Destaro wee kwuo okwu iyi niile akpọrọ ya agụpụtara m few now. I want you people to come and talk about my own now. Or am I not a human being? Don't I have feelings? Don't I have emotions? I do. So come and talk about it because none of these people are more human beings than me. Yes, they are not more human beings than me. How mad do come? But until then, kaine jenubi ko kanaka. Kaine jenubi ko kanaka. Nolu mulanya sa ni na Igbo ko de emebise. Anyị mebisicha ala Igbo. Anyị niile ya agba ọsọ. Onwe onye ya agba ọsọ hapụ ibe ye. Ma ndị n'obodo oyibo ya agba ọsọ hapụ ibe yo. Ajụrụ star my brother na program wee sị star. Esere na mmadụ nwa accident ọ daa n'obodo oyibo ozugbo. Ambulance ala ndị abụrụ onye ahụ. Ọsị yes wee sị ọkwa your family na Nigeria ọsị yes wee sị any member of your family daa ambulance or rush bịa bulie ọsị ndo si elo nyawo na onye lele enwegolu nkụta ife mmapụ ka no ben onye lele enwegolu nkụta ife mmapụ ka no ben you can use because of the comfort they use when touch feel that you have arrived. Come back home and show example here. This is where you will benefit it more. Yes, this is where you will benefit that more. If you bring that level of security of life down here, you will benefit more because so many of your extended family and relatives will benefit from it. Yes, if you benefit, your larger family on this side, you are just the only person, maybe with your immediate family, your wife and your kids, not outside. Does that ring a bell to you? So, no sure, Swina and Igbo, at the end of the day, onyo na ya boso. Onyo na ya boso. Mande to ufodoro channel mansion na village. You will leave that mansion and run away. You will leave that mansion and run away. Potano kita, ana makupo mataya sketa. Come out now and address your people. By your people now this way, Hanaga, it is not what you have instructed them to do. Come and debunk this thing and take yourself out of this thing now that you have time. Then lead you na media. Potano keta abia caution all your people. But no hanu de di ogo ha ije bu mmadu or no de di ogo ha eja fu obala nwata Igbo na ife a na-ekwu. But no ha that the ife need is to preach this message with love. But now this violence had a put no in any way would the TV that no lady no way for Omugala Hanebe. The one not on Facebook define what the area on Shorokahana are operating and practicing. All the well known and the mother no your silence will keep pushing a point and the narrative and which is no need in support of all these things. For as long as we continue, they keep silence to this thing. With this thing, there's one of the damage control. It will not work. Prevention is better than cure. Anybody acting anyhow is acting out of their own decision and not out of your own directives. It is very important. It is very important. It is very important. And it is very important. Dalon.